So this is the US oil analysis for Friday the 9th of November. Now let's just have a look on prices when prices went like we go. So previously we've had price come down towards this 61.48, trade through 61.48 towards the 63.05, briefly pulled back, tested, had a rally towards that 62.48, didn't quite make it there, broke down beyond 61.48, and at present we're testing at 60.25 and that $60 a barrel mark. So if we do find support in around the $60 barrel mark, looking for move up towards our 61.48, and if there's some volatility, maybe see our 62.48 tested. If, however, we do see this persistent sell side momentum continue beyond that $60 a barrel mark, we're looking for a move down towards our 59.31, successful break from which target at $59 a barrel, and beyond that to the downside, we're looking at a move down towards that 58.28 here on the US oil. That's if we are to see that further downside. We see the further continuation here to the downside. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart, we get scaling here correct. So on this daily chart of US oil, as you can see, we've posted a series of lower highs. We've had this rather consistent series of bearish days. So we've been bearish for like, well, my words, near enough 2 weeks or 2 weeks or more. We've had a rather consistent bearish momentum. So we are heading down towards our $6 a barrel mark, where we do have the 400 period moving average potential as a dynamic level of support. Or failure at that $60 a barrel, which likely may just be a psychological level from which you could see a bullish bounce. But if we do fail there, mentioned levels that we are looking at, in particular that 59 and that 58.28 here on the US oil. And yep, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Now, I was expecting possibly to see a bit of profit taking, may see a kind of trend move here on Friday, but we've started the day pretty bearish, and there does still seem to be a lot of bearish momentum in this market. So may not see that kind of trend move, or we may possibly see it after an interaction with that 60. Maybe these sellers are targeting that $60 a barrel, may see a bit of profit taking, but if we do fail there, mention levels that we are looking at here to the downside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.